Hi, welcome to MN Academy. Today we are going to discuss welfare economics. Welfare economics is that branch of economics that is concerned with the establishment of criterion or norms that can evaluate or judge the policies that are likely to maximize social welfare. Social welfare is the aggregate of the welfare of the individuals in the society. Social welfare is maximum when allocation of resources is efficient or optimum. In the words of J. Baumol, welfare economics has concerned itself mostly the policy issues which arise out of the allocation of resources with the distribution of commodities among various consumers. Since various parts of the economy are interdependent, the change in one part affects the resource allocation of other part. Thus, the central problem in the study of welfare economics is to evaluate the effect of change in the allocation of resources on social welfare. However, it is not possible to measure the social welfare objectively. Thus, welfare is a subjective concept that can be measured by interpersonal comparison. Many economists have suggested various criterion for measuring social welfare. We will now discuss the criterion of social welfare in detail. Pigou's criteria, Pigou's dual criterion. Arthur Cecil Pigou, succeeded by the Professor Alfred Marshall as the professor of economics at the Cambridge University. After Marshall, he became the leading neoclassical economist. He is the founder of welfare economics. His leading ideas on welfare economics are found in his book Economic of Welfare. In 1920, Professor Pigou popularized the word welfare and gave a concrete meaning to it in his book Economic of Welfare. In his book, Pigou dealt with the three things. First one, definition of economic welfare. Second one, spelling out the condition under which welfare is maximized. Third one, pronouncement of policy recommendations for increasing welfare. Pigou, in his book Economics of Welfare, distinguished between the social welfare and economic welfare. According to him, economic welfare is that part of social welfare that can be brought into directly or indirectly into relations with the measuring rod of money. He defined economic welfare of an individual as the amount of satisfaction or utility that he enjoys at a particular time. Social welfare as an aggregate of the welfare of the individuals in the society. In order to explain his dual criterion for determining social welfare, he assumed it is possible to compare the utility derived by the consumers from goods and services. He also assumed that each consumer aims at maximizing utility. He gives the criterion for determining the social welfare. First one criteria, that is we can understand here. Given the supply of factors of production, social welfare increases with the increase in the national income. Here the national income is the sum of the market value of final goods and services produced by the normal residents of the country in an accounting year. Thus, increase in national income means results in more satisfaction from goods, which leads to the increase in social welfare. Second criterion, social welfare increases when transfer of real income from the rich to the poor increases. But transfer does not lead to decrease in national income. With with income subject to diminishing marginal utility, transfer of income from the rich to the poor will increase social welfare by satisfying the more intensive wants of the poor. Thus, it is economic equality that maximizes social welfare. Criticism we shall discuss in next video. Thanks for watching.